Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? Today, we're delving into QQQ with an in-depth analysis. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday, March 20, 2024, and now we're back with more detailed insights. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay informed about our latest analyses. Stay ahead of any updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI for free price predictions and in-depth analysis on 25,000 companies globally. Please remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has rated QQQ as a buy candidate with a score of 3.63. Now, let's examine how the stock has performed since then. Those who followed our analysis would have seen a significant gain of 11.85% in the 52 days since we identified QQQ as a buy candidate. This indicates an average daily return of 0.23% since the buy candidate status was assigned. The ETF is currently in a strong rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential further increase. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 10.34% change, with a possible return ranging from 7.65% to 13.09%. Looking at the 12-month trend, a 34.82% change is expected, leading to a potential return between 18.38% and 37.21%. This would result in a price range of $525.34 to $608.90 after a year. Our latest update on the QQQ ETF shows a positive trend with a 1.19% gain on Wednesday, bringing the price to $443.77 from $438.57. The ETF has seen a continuous increase over the past 3 days, with fluctuations between a low of $438.06 and a high of $444.11 on the last trading day. There has been a 1.13% gain over the last 2 weeks, showing steady growth. The trading volume has also increased, with 455,000 more shares exchanged compared to the previous day, totaling 43 million shares traded for approximately $19.01 billion. Looking back over the past year, the ETF's price ranged from a high of $448.64 to a low of $304.77. Currently, it is 1.09% below the 52-week high at $448.64, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Signals for QQQ. The QQQ ETF shows buy signals from short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. A general buy signal is present as the short-term average is above the long-term average. Support levels are at $439.54 and $435.06, with a breakdown below signaling cells. Volume and price are rising, a positive technical signal. However, negative signals may impact short-term development, with a recent sell signal from a pivot top point. A further fall is expected until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, a sell signal is active from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 54 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 95 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 82 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $439.02. This level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. The ETF typically exhibits controlled movements with good liquidity, resulting in low risk. On the last trading day, the ETF experienced a $6.05 price fluctuation between its high and low, equating to a 1.38% change. Over the past week, the ETF has shown daily average volatility of 1.25%. Before discussing potential trading levels for QQQ, let's touch on some essential fundamental data. Firstly, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, is a key metric that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may suggest low future expectations for the company or an undervalued stock, possibly presenting a buying opportunity. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for QQQ. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ stands at $444.02. If you're not holding any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For existing stockholders, this level could be opportune for swing trading. Conversely, the initial support level for QQQ comes in at $439.02. Should this support hold, it might serve as a promising entry point, with a potential rebound in mind. Our recommended stop loss is set at $426.12, representing a decrease of 3.98%. This ETF exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, resulting in lower risk. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top 13 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Our analysis indicates that various short-term signals and a positive overall trend suggest a potential buying opportunity for QQQ ETF in the short term. However, considering the recent volatility and movements in the market, the current price may be slightly overvalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, March 21st, we anticipate QQQ to open lower by -$1.79 at $441.98. Trading carries a high risk of financial loss, so it's important to consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Remember not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. Your investment decisions are your own responsibility when using this information. Let's take a closer look at the current stock. Share your thoughts on whether you agree or disagree in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Wishing you successful trading and a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.